Hey guys, my name is Nick and welcome to my channel. What is a put option? To answer this question, I put together a very simple, short animated story to explain what a put is and how you can use put options to make money in your trading. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. Thanks, cheers guys, enjoy.
This is Tom. Tom owns a $25,000 car that he depends on in order to run his local plumbing business. He's concerned that the car may be damaged during the day-to-day course of his work, or even worse, stolen. Tom decides to buy an insurance policy or put option on his truck for $25,000. This $25,000 is referred to as the put option strike price. Haley's Auto Insurance is able to provide this coverage for a limited one-year time period for a cost of $1,000. Tom is covered for 1 year up to what is known as the expiration date of the option, and the cost of this policy, the $1,000, is termed the policy or put option premium. There are 3 possible outcomes in this story. In scenario 1, Tom's car is neither damaged nor stolen during the following year. As he has no need to make a claim, Haley simply keeps the $1,000 premium. Tom is resigned to losing this premium because of the protection and peace of mind the policy has provided him over the lifetime of the contract. In the second outcome, Tom unfortunately lends the car to his wife, Chris. The car is damaged in an accident and requires $5,000 worth of repairs. He exercises his policy or put option and Haley pays him the $5,000 for the repairs as agreed. Tom, of course, is delighted. The protection he has purchased is in place to cover events just like this. Our final scenario is the worst case for Tom. His truck is stolen and requires replacing. Again, Tom exercises his put option, but this time for the full $25,000, which is the cost to replace the vehicle. Tom is, of course, very relieved to have purchased the put option to cover this huge, potentially devastating loss to his business. Haley's Auto Insurance is able to make a payment of this size because she has also sold policies to a number of other drivers, many of whom never make a claim or exercise their options during this 1-year period. So, with this example in mind, let's define a put option specifically in the context of the stock market. A put option is a contract between 2 counterparties to exchange a stock at the strike price by a predetermined date, known as the expiration date. One party, the buyer to put, in our example Tom, has the right but not an obligation to sell the stock at the strike price by the future date. The other party, the seller of the put, Haley, in regard to the insurance policy, has the obligation to buy the stock from the buyer at the strike price if the buyer exercises the option. Let's take a look at an example. If a stock is trading at $100 and you fear it might go down to $90, you might buy a $95 put option as insurance. The $95 put is currently priced at $2. If the stock falls to $90, that would allow you to sell the stock at $95, even though it's valued at $90, netting you a $3 profit on each share. Remember, we need to deduct the option premium of $2 from the $5 profit from the fall in the stock price, as this is kept by the option seller. On the other hand, the person that sold you the put will be obligated to buy the stock at $95 at a loss of $3 per share. If the stock never falls below $95 by the expiration date, the put expires worthless, the put buyer is out $2, and the put seller keeps the option premium.